How to unblock Grindr. If you're frustrated by any restrictions preventing you from accessing your favorite Grindr app, we've got a simple and safe solution. So, let's dive in. You can easily bypass any kind of restrictions with a secure Aeroshield service. You can get your Aeroshield free trial via the link in the description below this video. It helps to bypass any restrictions by masking your IP address. All your traffic is encrypted. It looks like you're accessing the internet from a different country. 3 simple steps to unblock Grindr. 1. Get your free trial Aeroshield account, link in the description. 2. Set up a secure connection on your device. 3. Now, connect to the remote server. This might take a few seconds. With Aeroshield connected, you can unblock any app without any problems. Remember, Aeroshield is a perfect service to help you bypass geo-restrictions securely and effectively. Check out the link in the description below to get started with a free trial. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.